How to change Valorant to full screen. So what you need to do is just simply go to settings right here. So click on settings on the top right and go to settings. So currently I'm on the window option, and you just simply need to go to general, video general, then display mode, and click on the options right here. Then I'll set it to full screen or windowed full screen. So let's say I'll set it to windowed full screen. I'm going to click on apply, click on confirm. And as you can see, my Valorant is now on full screen. And the difference between full screen and windowed full screen is that it makes windowed full screen makes you easier to alt tab or move out of this Valorant window. So let's say you have another monitor and you want to check your monitor. So if you go out and alt tab, it will not close, or the window won't close as if I set this to full screen and click on apply. If I click on alt tab or go to another screen or monitor, Valorant just goes out just like that. So if you're streaming or you're on multiple monitors, I suggest that you use windowed full screen. So there's really not any difference with the latency. So I suggest that you use windowed full screen if you have multiple monitors, and that's basically it.